Greetings everyone, welcome to Yoga with Alien. I'm Alien and this is Boingy, and today we have a yoga for inner space travel. So hop into something comfy and let's get started. Fellow aliens, humans, pets, whoever's joining, welcome. Let's begin in a nice, comfortable seat here today. Draw the palms together at your heart. Anjali Mudra. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, relax your shoulders and just ground down into this moment. Thank you so much for selecting this video. Let's have some fun. On your next big breath in, draw your thumbs up to your third eye, or your fourth eye, or your fifth eye, or your sixth eye if you have it. Connecting to this inner teacher, this higher self. Take a deep breath in, sit up a little taller. Exhale, release into a twist any way. So you can turn to one side, any side. Wringing out through the spine just a bit. Take a look past your shoulder and then bring it back through center and take it to the other side. Take a deep breath in. And on an exhale, bring it back to center. And then nice and slow, we're going to come forward onto all fours. Draw your navel up towards your spine. Spread your fingers, however many you have, evenly. Walk the knees underneath the hips. Curl the toes under. Light a little fire in your core. Draw your navel up. Inhale in. Exhale. Lift the knees. Let them hover for 10, 9, 8, 7. Breathe deep. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Land on the one. Uncurl the toes. Drop the belly. Press into the tops of the feet. Inhale. Drop the belly. Open your chest forward. Let your third, fourth, fifth, sixth eye shine up towards the sky. And then exhale. Round it through chin to chest. Claw into the earth. Inhale. Drop the belly. Moving with your breath. Exhale. Round through chin to chest. Navel draws up, up, up. Inhale, come back to a nice neutral spine. Walk the hands out a little bit wider. Curl the toes under, and when you're ready, peel the tailbone up high. Downward facing dog. Explore this creature here. Bend your knees. Stretch through the fascia of the foot. Claw through your fingers. Breathe deep into your belly. Melt your heart. Smile. Life is good. Excellent. Ground through your left heel. Inhale, lift your right leg up high. Keep the hips square. Exhale, slowly shift it forward. Step it all the way up. Nice low lunge. Front knee over front ankle. Inhale, open the chest. Look forward. Exhale, plant the palms. Lift the back knee. Step the right toes back. Plank pose. Strong body. Downward facing dog. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale, lift the left leg up high. Keep the hips level. Exhale, shift it forward. Step it all the way up. Lower the back knee. Inhale, open the chest. Uncurl. Exhale, release. Plant the palms. Lift the back knee. Step the left toes back. Plank pose. Strong. Downward facing dog. Hips up high and back. Good. Hug the low ribs in. Inhale, bend the knees, look forward. Exhale, float, beam, step to the top. Forward fold. Clasp opposite elbow with opposite hand. Sway a little side to side. Listening to the sound of your breath. Coming into communion with the sound of your breath. Sweet, then release it. Inhale in, dig into your heels, bend your knees, and exhale, slowly roll to standing. Stand up nice and tall. Lift your head as you rise up. Let your arms be long. Take a deep breath in here. Exhale nice and slow. On your next inhale, fingers reach towards the sky. And exhale, open twist to your left. Bend your knees. Inhale, look up. Reach up high. Exhale, open twist to your right. Bend your knees. Inhale, reach up high. Breathe in. Exhale, hands to the waistline as you come to step in the center of your mat. Bring the legs out super wide. Turn your toes in. Nice strong stance here as you lift your heart. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Inhale in. Exhale, soft bend in the knees as you send your heart forward, standing wide-legged forward fold. Maybe your fingers come to the earth here. Maybe the hands walk back in line with the feet. Maybe you keep your hands on the waistline or gently resting on your thighs. Take a deep breath in here. Ground through the feet to slowly rise back up. Hands come back to the waistline. Turn the left toes in, turn the right toes out. Inhale, lengthen through the crown of your head. Exhale, send your fingertips out left to right. Bend your front knee for Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Careful not to lean forward here. Pull the spine back. Head over heart, heart over pelvis here. Inhale in. Exhale, straighten the front leg. Inhale in again. Lift up through the chest. Exhale, triangle pose. Right leg stays straight. We open up through the chest. Reach the left fingertips towards the sky. Draw energy up from the arches of the feet. Engage your inner thighs. Inhale in. Exhale, slowly rise back up. Warrior 2. Good, straighten the front leg. Turn the right toes in. Let's take the same thing on the other side. So right toes in, left toes turn out. Inhale in, send the arms out wide. Exhale, bend your front knee, Warrior 2. Beautiful. Inhale in again. Exhale, straighten the front leg. Bump the hips back. Reach your left fingertips forward. Slowly begin to tilt down. Slowly sliding the heart all the way up towards the sky. Triangle pose. Lengthen through the crown. Breathe deep here. Ground through your feet. Press into the outer edge of your back foot. Good. Inhale in. Exhale to slowly come back up. Warrior 2. Bend your front knee. Inhale in. Exhale, straighten the front leg. Hands come to the waistline. We're gonna slowly, slowly walk the feet in one by one until you're standing arch to arch, feet together, really together. Beautiful. Send the arms out in front, palms face down. Right arm goes underneath the left. We find a bind here. Send the hips back as you bend the knees. Lift the right leg up, cross it over the left. Twist, wrap, find your eagle pose. Garandasana as you inhale, lift the elbows up. Exhale, sink a little bit deeper, hold on to center. Now lift the corners of the mouth slightly, relax your shoulders down. Elbows lift up high as you breathe into your belly. Inhale in. Exhale, unravel your 2 arms, your 3 arms, your 4 arms if you have them, and slowly come back to mountain. Smile. Inhale in. Exhale, send the arms out in front, palms face down. This time, left arm underneath the right. We wrap, we twist, we bend the knees, we sink down, down, down. Get nice and low for this one. Here we go, lifting the left leg up and over. Maybe we wrap, we twist. Maybe we just find a little kickstand here. Lift the elbows, inhale. Exhale, sink a little deeper. Find your focus. Inhale in again, breathe into all 4 sides of the torso. Exhale, sink a little deeper. Beautiful. One more breath as you inhale, lift the elbows. And then exhale to unravel everything. Bring the feet together. Bring the hands at your sides, palms facing forward. Spread your fingertips evenly. Close your eyes and observe your breath. Drop the chin to the chest. Then on your next inhale, carve a line with your nose. Take your eyes up towards space. Open your mouth. Then close your jaw, chin to chest. rounding down. Inhale to lift the chin parallel. Exhale to relax your shoulders down. Inhale to reach the fingertips all the way up with your breath, all the way up. Exhale to float it all the way down. Fingertips at your sides. 2 more like that. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, float it down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, float it down. Beautiful. On your next inhale, rise up. Exhale, palms come together and slice right down the midline as you come into a forward fold. On your next inhale, lift up halfway. Find length in the crown. Pull the elbows back. Come into a little figure 7 shape here as you pull the hip creases back. Suck the elbows in and back and lengthen through the crown of the head. Send your antennas forward, your crown forward. Press evenly through all 4 corners of your feet. Deep breath in. Exhale to let it go. Beautiful. Bend your knees. Come into a low squat. Lift your heels. Come into a little ball here. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Draw your nose towards your knees. Feel that stretch in the back. Take a deep breath in. Empty it out. Inhale to slowly lift the chin. Lift the shoulders. Maybe there's a toe stand here for you, bringing the palms together. Maybe not. Draw your navel in and up. Feel free to keep your fingertips on the ground here. Find your focus. Balance. Wherever you are, take 1 more full cycle of breath. Then bring the fingertips back to the earth, nose back towards the knees. Close your eyes for a second and notice what it feels like to connect to yourself, to journey back home. Here we go. Drop the heels, tuck the chin, slowly begin to straighten the legs and roll it up nice and slow. Stand up tall. Our best and most beautiful mountain pose here. Close your eyes or gently send your gaze down past your nose. Take a second to be grateful for your body, accepting of your body. Inhale, lots of love in. Exhale, lots of love out. Slowly lift the hands, palms face forward, cactus arms. Inhale, lots of love in. Exhale, lots of love out. And finally, hands come together at the heart. Take a deep breath in. From my heart to yours, we bow. Nanu nanu. Namaste.